Want to effectively measure your sales performance using CrankWheel Analytics? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how this tool works, and by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use it to elevate your sales strategy. But stay tuned because I'll also share some alternative solutions that might better fit your specific needs, and I have an exclusive offer for you that you don't want to miss. So, let's get into it. First, CrankWheel Analytics helps you track and understand your sales performance by offering real-time insights into your sales process. You can monitor key metrics like conversion rates, customer interactions, and more, helping you identify where you're winning and where you need improvement. The interface is simple, but it packs a punch with detailed analytics that can really help boost your strategy. Next thing, CrankWheel lets you see exactly how your sales reps are performing. With data on call times, presentation effectiveness, and customer engagement, you can pinpoint what's working and what isn't. It's particularly helpful for sales teams who want to improve their outreach and close more deals. However, while it does provide these valuable insights, it could be more comprehensive when it comes to integrating with other platforms. The third thing to note is CrankWheel's ability to track how many demos were completed and how many were successful. This is essential for measuring your sales funnel and understanding what part of your pitch needs refining. But one downside here is that it doesn't dive deeply enough into individual customer behaviors. You'll get the basics, but it lacks more advanced tracking tools like heat maps or session recordings that could give deeper insights into why leads drop off. The fourth thing CrankWheel does well is provide data on the effectiveness of each sales rep's performance over time. This allows managers to give targeted feedback and training. But there's a catch. It can sometimes be hard to interpret the numbers without additional context, especially if you're new to data-driven sales strategies. Finally, let's talk about how CrankWheel integrates with other tools. It does integrate with CRMs, but sometimes the connection isn't as seamless as you'd like, and you might find yourself spending more time fixing syncing issues than analyzing the data. It's a bit of a hassle, but it's not a deal breaker if you're familiar with the setup. So, while CrankWheel Analytics offers some solid insights into sales performance, there are a few limitations you'll want to consider. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, there are alternatives that offer better integration, deeper data analysis, and additional tracking features that might serve your team better in the long run. And before you go, I want to share that through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of CrankWheel. But I've also found some other software alternatives that might suit your needs better, especially if you're serious about diving deeper into your sales analytics and looking for more integrations. These alternatives also come with free trials, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the links below to get the best free trial and benefits.